In this video, we are going to see how we can make a private server on Roblox. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to head over to the roblox.com from your browser. And in your private server, you can host a game. Basically, you can add your friends and other useful stuffs can be done. So if you want to create a private server for any game, let's say I want to create a private server for this Heroes Battleground. Click on the three dots. We open this up, and once we click on that, you will see different tabs, which is about, store, and servers. We go to the servers, so we click on create one for free, or otherwise you will get the price on the left. So here, this is allowed for free. So click on that, and it says your server is created. And as we can see, my name is flashing here and the server is created. I can click on join, or I can click on edit to customize it. Click on join and we can open it in the client, and we can simply play it on the application, or otherwise you can click on this edit sign next to it and it will show you this roblox.com / private server. Now, if you are, for some reason, you are lost and you cannot sign into your private server, here is the quick link for you. You head over to the roblox.com / private -server. You just write it here and you click on back to private servers, and whatever servers you have created, you will be there itself. So click on edit, and you can allow joining it for different users. Friends are allowed or not. Server members can be seen here. You can add different people here. Generate a link for the people who can join this game to play with you. So that's about it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.